This is crazy, bro. I didn't think it was gonna happen, but check this out. I got the original Galaxy Fold, like back when the YouTubers had it and it started breaking. Hey, what's good, y'all? Latrell. Shout out to Michael, man. Like, I don't know how he got this thing. I don't know how he be giving half the shit that he get, but he got the original Galaxy Fold that like all the YouTubers had and they started breaking, like MKBHD and all of them. But I'll leave his links down below, man, because he on TikTok, he on YouTube, he on all that, so go and check him out. But yeah, bro, I mean, I've been trying to get my hands on this forever now. Look at this. I got the Astro Green Galaxy Fold over here. I know I'm in my hotel room and everything, it's bad. But this is crazy, bro. Look at this. So I got my original Galaxy Fold that like it actually came out to the consumers, and then I got the Galaxy Fold that didn't get out to anybody else. I mean, just look at the phones, man. This is crazy. I gotta show y'all this behind the camera. All right, so we at the desk right now, as you can see. So I'm just kind of working with the lighting I got. I'm in my hotel room right now for CES 2024, so it is what it is, man. But I wasn't trying to miss this opportunity, because like I said, bro, this is the OG Galaxy Fold that all the YouTubers had and they started breaking, like MKBHD and all that. I don't know if y'all remember that or not. So basically what had happened was when these folds started first coming out, they actually started breaking in the YouTubers' hands. Like it would just easily get dust right under here. So this was a design for the original Galaxy Fold that it didn't have any cap or anything like that like it does on the Galaxy Fold now. So if you check these out side by side, you can see here that it does have a cap here on the new Galaxy Fold, but on the old Galaxy Fold, you can see here, nothing right there. Now I remember when this had first happened, it was bad, man. Samsung had this all over the news. So this was in about April. Then Samsung actually came out with this revised Galaxy Fold over here in about September. That's when I actually got mine, like just after September, I think it was October or something. But yeah, you can see the differences with the cap on the revised Galaxy Fold over here and the old Galaxy Fold, that those caps is different. Now I also clearly remember people thought this was a screen protector, and like they actually started peeling it off, and that's when the screen started breaking. And on the Galaxy Fold over here, the revised version, they tucked it under the bezel. So this literally right here, if I was to peel this off, it would just break. So that's why I'm kind of nervous to hold this right now. But yeah, that's how it is. On here, I can't peel it off like if I actually installed a screen protector on here, but I didn't, so I went ahead and just left it as it is. Now I remember that Samsung actually started installing screen protectors over the screen protector on the revised Galaxy Fold over here, and actually took mine off and it was perfectly fine. You just couldn't do it on the original one. Also, if you check this out over on the right side, you can see that we have our volume markers, we have a power button, and then we actually have a Bixby button. So this is actually not just a fingerprint scanner. So on the revised Galaxy Fold over here, we don't actually have a button where the fingerprint scanner is. It's just a fingerprint scanner. But on the old Galaxy Fold, this is actually the Bixby button, bro. Imagine having the Bixby button on this, but it's just the power button on the revised Galaxy Fold here, as you can see. On the revised Galaxy Fold, you have to hold on to the volume down and the power to go and turn it off. Now, you can't go ahead and change it on the settings, but on here, you can't even do anything with this. You can't turn it off or anything. You have to use this power button. As you can see, no effect. And according to Michael, this thing is actually running the pre-release software. So if I go to software information, we have One UI 1.2 and Android 9. Now, if we go ahead and look for the security update, March 1st, 2019. So you can tell right there that this is actually the original Galaxy Fold before they started breaking. This is crazy as hell, bro. I'm telling you. So this is the Astro Green right here. I also have the blue color. I'll go ahead and put some B-roll up so you can go ahead and see that, because I also have access to that too. So I actually got access to the Astro Blue. I just realized I was calling this color wrong. So it's actually called the Martin Green, but we have the Astro Blue that I have access to. So I'll go and put up some B-roll so you can go and see the differences. But yeah, man, this is crazy as hell. So Samsung actually had like 4 different colors. It was the black, it was the silver, it was this green, and then they had the Astro Blue. So they had 4 colors for the original Galaxy Fold. They just started doing these 2 colors right here. So they just did black and silver. And this is crazy as hell, bro, because I specifically remember when they announced this Galaxy Fold, I wanted this Martian green. So I know you're probably wondering, how does it feel compared to the refined Galaxy Fold? So when I go ahead and just move this around, you could kind of hear some creaking, and you could definitely feel it too, man. Compared to this, it's definitely a lot more premium. Like, look, I'm gonna just put my mic right here. Just listen to this. You see what I mean? But yeah, besides that, the cover display and everything, if you go ahead and open this up, the notch, all that's pretty much exactly the same with the Galaxy Folds. As for the hinge, I mean, they feel pretty much the same, bro. I don't even notice any difference with these. This feels maybe a little bit looser, but also at the same time, I wasn't using the Galaxy Fold or nothing like that. I don't know how you use this, so I can't really say like how it held up over time, because I just didn't have it over time. So now I also heard that they made the end of the screen actually more durable when you feel it. So I'm feeling it right now, and yeah, again, feels pretty much exactly the same, not gonna front. Now let's open up something real quick. Let's try out the camera. Let's see what that look like side by side. So we actually have the latest One UI for the Fold anyway, the original Fold, and as you can see here, I mean, definitely a lot different. So like I said, we talking about like the original One UI. We got One UI 1.2 on here. So if you just look around here, just visually, I see no difference at all. And just looking around the phone in general, like, yeah, I see pretty much no differences at all. Like I said, all you really got is that physical button right there. So this isn't the physical button, but this is. So that's just Bixby. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comments below. And again, shout out to my boy Michael, man, because he really came through plugging for me with these. We was just out here at CES and he was like, oh yeah, I got the green Galaxy Fold. You want to check it out? I was like, all right, bet. But also, just to end this video, I want to go and show y'all one more thing. So as you can see here, we got the IMEI, right? So you can see that IMEI is not grayed out for the eSIM version. On the original Galaxy Fold Refined version, it is. And I don't know why. So check this out. You can see here that on the Galaxy Fold Refined version that IMEI eSIM is grayed out, right? Now let me show you what it looked like on the old Galaxy Fold. It's there. So we actually have eSIM on here. And Samsung never enabled it on this Fold. And like I said, we're on the pre-release software over here. Now check this out. If I go and look for updates, it's not gonna show that there's any updates on this thing. And look at that. Up to date. But anyway, man, I'm gonna get up out of here. So let me know what y'all think about these in the comments below, and let me know if you got any questions. So I'll try to answer it. But that's gonna do it for me, man. Appreciate y'all for coming through. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go subscribe or go and follow me on my social media at ECentech on Instagram and X and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And I'm not gonna cap. It do feel good having this thing, even though I gotta give this thing back to him anyway, but you know, it is what it is. But that's gonna do it for me, bro. So appreciate you for coming through. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace out.